So what does this hat have to do with woodworking? Stay tuned and I'll tell you more. Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. Today I thought I'd sit back and share with you a tip that I've learned over the years. And that is, don't put off a project by overthinking it to the point that it just never gets done. I can tell you I've done that numerous times. My outfeed table that I have back here is a perfect example. I can't tell you how many designs I looked at, how many ideas I looked at, how many videos I watched, magazine articles I read. I did it all to the point it never got done. I've been doing woodworking with my own tools since 1976 when I bought a Craftsman table saw. We moved into this house 9 years ago. And I'm still to the point where I need to reorganize my shop and make some shop furniture. So I know from experience that that's what a lot of us do. I even did it with my last table build that I built. I can't tell you, I think that took me 3 years to make a simple arts and crafts tourbillon. Why? I kept overthinking it. I thought, well, what if I did this and what if I did that and this doesn't work? Don't wait until pigs fly for you to get started on your next project. As one of the shoe companies says, just do it. Yep, that's the one. Sometimes I think that's my wife's favorite chair too. I hope you'll take that tip to heart. I'm really enjoying working out in my shop and getting things done. I hope you are as well. If you like this video, remember to hit the thumbs up down below. Leave any questions or comments that you'd like. We greatly appreciate those of you who have subscribed to our channel. We hope that the rest of you will subscribe today. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, and for those of you that thought this might be about barbecue, how's this? 4 racks of ribs on my wood pellet grill. I was cooking them with hickory wood pellets.